So, many of you may believe that long hair causes or can cause acne on the face and especially on the forehead. Well, it can cause acne in a way, but at the same time, it doesn't cause acne. Well, it is a little complicated. Like, long hair cannot cause acne on the face directly, but you can, however, get acne on the scalp due to long hair if you don't wash or keep your long hair clean. So basically, breakouts on the face occur when our face remains either too oily or too dirty for extended periods of time, because this oil and dirt clogs the pores present on the face that are there to produce oil to keep the skin moisturized. So as I said, long hair itself cannot cause acne on the face. There just has to be some sort of human error involved here. And in contrast to that statement, I'd say there are two ways we make our long hair cause acne on the face. The first one is when you keep your long hair in the open state for long durations. In this case, it doesn't really matter how long your hair is as long as it can touch your forehead. Because you see, our hair attracts a lot of dust and dirt present in the air because of the sticky nature of all the products that we apply on the hair to keep it nourished and moisturized, plus all the oils that the scalp produces to achieve the same goal. And therefore, if your hair just keeps rubbing on the forehead all day long, all that dust plus dirt plus oils are going to be transmitted to your forehead. And on top of that, all the oils that the skin produced itself to keep itself moisturized, and also the dirt that it attracted as well. And all these things contribute equally to the clogging of pores present on the face. And the result is obviously a pimple or a breakout. But this is a problem that you can solve easily just by putting your hair either in a man bun if it is long enough, and if it is not long enough yet, you can just put it in a hairband instead. And if you perfectly understood the first root cause of how long hair can actually promote acne, you can let me know by giving a like to this video, and a sub to the channel will also be really appreciated. Now, the second blunder that we perform due to our long hair is this. Look, we use our hands to do a lot of things, and that includes touching a lot of things. And while doing that, our fingers get a lot of bacteria and dirt over them. And when we use the same fingers to wipe the hair away from our face, we are basically transferring all that bacteria and dirt to our face, and specifically to our forehead, which causes breakouts. And mainly the temple area is affected by this error, and therefore I was saying this. Long hair does and does not cause acne depending on how you look at it. But then again, no matter how much your hair rubs on your face or how many times you use your dirty fingers to wipe the hair away, there aren't going to be any pimples as long as you keep your face clean pretty much all the time. I mean, this is how I have kept my face away from the reach of pimples. It's not like I don't use my fingers to wipe the hair away from my face, or I don't keep my hair open. But if the connection between long hair and acne is perfectly clear to you, I'll consider the objective of this video fulfilled. And you can prove that right by giving this video a like, and a sub to the channel will also be really appreciated. But with that being said, I'll see you around, Alpha.